All right, should we be oh, it's a good thing I'm not having kids. Yowza. That was brutal. Happy Friday, everybody. It has been a long week. Not a bad week, but a long week. So a few interesting developments. First of which, thanks to a whole bunch of tribe love, I have over 300 subscribers, which is crazy. I mean, last video I was talking about having 180, which is crazy. So it's awesome, guys. I don't even know what to do besides keep riding and keep making videos, obviously. But so that's the first interesting development. Second interesting development is when I got home today from work and checked my mail, I found my official final dissolution papers. So I am officially divorced, which is nice. It's bittersweet, but all in all, I think it'll be a good thing. So where are we going? One of our viewers told me that there is a tunnel up here, and you know, the desert's pretty flat, so you don't see tunnels a whole lot. So I had to come up here and check it out because, you know, it's cool that he told me. And everybody loves tunnels. And of course, the best part of tunnels is the noise. Ah, there is a tunnel right there. Look at that. Boy, you know you're in a wealthy neighborhood when they build a tunnel to go through the hill for the houses. That is how you know you're in a wealthy neighborhood. That's pretty funny. Look at this. How cool is this? How cool is this? It's just a little itty bitty tunnel, but ready? Ready? Oh, glorious. Glorious. It's like lightning. Thunder. That's awesome. So look at this little neighborhood back here, guys. This is craziness. This is nifty. I've never been back here. I didn't even know this place existed. This is fancy. You're supposed to stop. All vehicles must stop. Hey. How are you? Pretty good. Does this go up around? Or no? Oh, it's gated, huh? So I can just turn around up here? Oh, okay. I thought it kind of went around. On the map, it looks like it goes like up on top of the hill, but only if you live here. All right. Thank you. Oh, that's a bust. That is a bust, friends. I thought we were going to get to go up and watch the sunset together. But you gotta be rich. You gotta be rich. And I am not rich. I bet you that guard heard me coming a mile away. That's so funny. Only if you live here. This is just beautiful, though, isn't it? We'll stop for a second. How picturesque. Look at that. Look at that. You got the cactus. You got the cactus. You got the little birds flitting about. I mean, that's just pretty. That's a nice view. All right, folks. I've got my helmet open this time. So ready? Ready to be hooligans? Oh, it's just wonderful. It's just wonderful. So where to next? We are going to Best Buy because I am going to get one of those little bendy GorillaPod things. And I know they're not the most amazing tripods. I have a good tripod. But I kind of want one of those bendy GorillaPods because I want to start playing around with doing some different angles. Howdy. Doing some different angles, and the GorillaPod will let me attach my Ghost onto like a fence post or a mile marker or a tree and do some cool shots riding by, things like that. I mean, I won't trust it to hold the GoPro. Uh-oh. That's going to get edited. I won't trust it to hold my drift on anywhere else on the bike. I mean, I'll use rigid mounts for that. But I think it'll be cool. It'll be cool to get some dynamic shots and something different and some low-down flybys and some fun stuff. Get all artsy up in here. So that's where we're going, Best Buy. I wonder what happens if you walk into Best Buy with a helmet on. You think they say anything? Especially with the camera bobbling on top with the big record light on? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. This will be security guard numero dos today. Should we park up on the sidewalk? Should we? Should we? I think we will. We'll park up on the sidewalk. So that's the type of person we are. Apparently nothing. Apparently you can just keep your helmet on. How exciting. How exciting for me. Walking around Best Buy. Alright friends, where's all the camera stuff? Cameras and camcorders. And the website said they have them in stock. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Well, those are normal tripods. Those are real tripods. Ugh, GoPro stuff. Ugh. Oh. Are you kidding me? You know if you have those GorillaPods? GorillaPod? Oh, swing and a miss, guys. Swing and a miss. Do you guys want to go in World Market and buy some candy that we don't need? How about we do it? Candy bar. So this is a Cost Plus World Market. If you guys have never been in one, it's pretty cool. They've got literally everything. Cadbury's, penguins. Everybody loves penguins. Hobnobs. Oh. Coffee Crisp. I couldn't tell you the last time I had a Coffee Crisp. These things are so good. Do you guys like Coffee Crisps? I don't know what you guys can see because the camera angle's weird. Violet Crumbles. No double-decker bars, though. Chocolate with bacon in it. Chocolate with beef jerky in it. That doesn't sound good. Oh, beans. Sriracha popcorn. Sriracha. I have a friend that absolutely loves sriracha. Cock sauce. I have a friend that loves cock sauce. So I think we're going to get him the cock sauce popcorn and send it his way. I think that'll be fun. I wonder if it's any good. Should we get 2 bags for him? No, we'll just get one. We'll just get 1 bag. I think that'll be good. Cock sauce. What other crap should we buy that we don't really need? Tubular meat. and House and Parliament sauce. That stuff is the best on steak. So good. Hey, how are you? Yeah, actually I left it on. Have a good night. But alright, friends, we got our junk food. We've had our adventure. I'm gonna go find something for dinner. You guys have a good night, and I will see you guys later.